Welcome back to Anacho's TV mukbang. Okay, today I brought, cause like there's a lot of red bean paste was frozen in my freezer, so I made the Pak Kalguksu for a long time. Oh, this is my favorite pot red bean dish. Hello, my husband's here. I'm filming now. Thank you so much.
I'm leaving soon anyway.
Okay, please don't make me mad. Okay, and I made the kimbap, the simple one. Okay, and I put the fried tofu inside. Because I need the soup, I'm gonna have cup noodle instead of soup today. Okay. Yes. My mumal랭이. And then the 깍두기 kimchi. There's a cubed radish kimchi. Wow. I brought extra chopstick and spoon in case I'm dropping it. I put sugar and salt together, so it's kind of sweet and salty. Lovely. So azuki bean, red bean porridge, kalguksu. The kalguksu means fettuccine noodle in Korean. Lovely. I made the 깍두기 and really delicious. Let's have some soup. With different chopstick. I like the smell of curry because they put turmeric inside. Kimchi with the noodle. My hair. You know, Korean, it's with noodle and kimbap like this. That's like kind of common. Kind of snack like a meal for Korean. Cup noodle with the kimbap. So good. And kalguksu again, pak kalguksu, the red bean paste kalguksu. I'm gonna put some more hot water. Diluting the sodium. Okay. Okay. Dry anchovy, braised. Mini anchovy. Wow. My husband is going out by himself. Would you just leave your shoes right there? I'm gonna clean it after. Ah. Go on. I hate somebody pull down your shoes. I hate somebody carrying the shoes while I'm eating. I'm sorry. Ah, so good. Okay, I'll see you at midnight, you know? Okay.
I know.
Bye-bye. Okay. You know, I like hot food instead of cold food. Now I know. Besides the cold drinks and then the ice cream. Those has to be cool. You know, my husband has a curfew. He has to be home before the midnight. That's why I said midnight. Cinderella. Maybe I'm gonna have one more cup noodle. Oh my gosh. Okay. What a night. What a Friday. Today is a Friday, by the way. So good. I think I'm eating like the cup noodle maybe once a month like this. One cleared. That was a chicken flavor, and this one is a shrimp flavor. I think I have to buy a bigger trash can. I can't aim it. I don't normally eat I rarely eat the instant noodle, but ever since I was doing a mukbang, I don't know, I have to do, because like other mukbanger, they do so many instant noodle thing, so that's why I'm doing instant noodle. Before, maybe like I eat not in a year, or maybe every 2 or 3 years, or not at all. I never ate instant the noodles before, except when I was young. After like 20s, I never ate instant noodles. Mm. This one is like, if this is like, I can, if I can finish, I can eat as a snack too, because it's kind of sweet. Mm. Okay. Ready. Cover, rest a little bit. I'm gonna finish the kimbap. Mmm. This is chocolate cookie I made. I'm gonna eat it as dessert. Oh, getting full. Here. Let's have some instant noodle shrimp flavor. I like the andante noodle. Al dente, I'm sorry. Andante is music. Al dente noodle for the instant noodle ramen. Mm. Mm-hmm. Ah, so good. You know what? This cup noodle, it's kind of small, but the amount is like amazing. It's like a lot in here, actually. Very big inside. I don't know. I had 4 noodles last time. First, I had a 6 noodle. It was too much. I had 4 noodles, and then like I had a like kind of like flat, this kind of like pot. I pour in the pot. It was almost full. 4 noodles. Ah, okay. There's like more hot water, so I'm gonna pour in. Dilute the sodium. Okay. Perfect. Ah. Ah, 국물. Okay, there's no noodle left, only the soup. Okay, so finished, because I don't want to drink that soup completely because I had another soup already. Too much sodium. Okay, and this one, Pak Kalguksu left. I never cook proper amount of fettuccine noodle kalguksu. Always. I don't know why. Anyway, so I'm gonna save this and then eat it later. I'm not throwing this away, so don't worry. And thank you for watching my channel. Your continuing supports are really, really appreciated and welcome and helping me out. And I will see you next time with any other vlog or mukbang. Thank you, and I will see you soon.